curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course. Hmm?
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kirsten Elizabeth, if you did not know. And of course, by the title of today's video, I am doing a hair review on the hair that I have in my head. And I'm going to show you guys how I install it to kind of get that wet and wavy look that we all love. But before we get into today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see the next time I post. And now that I'm done rambling, let's get into today's video. I posted a picture on my Instagram and a couple on my Snapchat with me in this hair, and a lot of you guys wanted to know where I got the hair from, all of the details. This hair is the Mongolian Water Wave from Icy Hair Company. This is the 2022 and 24 Water Wave with an 18-inch closure. Yes, your girl got a closure. I was really skeptical about getting a closure because I've never gotten a closure before. I've always gotten traditional sew-ins, but if you know me, the reason I chose to get a closure is because I don't like to take care of my hair. And what I mean by that is I love styling my hair, if that means slapping gel on it and laying my edges. But anything other than that, I'm just not good with the whole moisturizing, conditioning, having a wash day, an entire day dedicated to washing your hair. I don't like to feel like I have to babysit my hair, so I felt like a closure was the best thing to do for me, especially since the braids that I had in before I got my hair done ripped out all the little bit of edges that I did have left. So now I'm kind of in repair mode. But the lady who did my hair, I will leave her Instagram down below if you are in the DMV area. She did really well. I'll put her Instagram up here as well. She did really well at disguising the closure and making me feel comfortable with wearing it. So about this hair, when you get the hair, it comes in this Icy hair bag, really cute. You know, I instantly loved it because I love pink. This hair is 100% density, so I was like, I hope it's going to be, you know, as thick and beautiful as their hair, and it was. I will insert a picture of what the hair looked like right out of the bag, but I did not take it out of the plastic bag that it came in. I know, I need to get it together. But this is the 20-inch, so I actually had a lot of hair left over. I was worried that 100% density would not come with enough, but this is the little bit of 20-inch that I did not use. So as you can see, the bundles are thicker than a Snicker. We love it, and this is the hair in its natural state, so nothing has been done to this hair. This is what it looks like, full all the way to the end, and that's what we love to see, you know. And this is not even the entire bundle, so imagine, you know, what the full bundle looked like if I would have taken pictures or videos of that for you guys. But yeah, so really good bundles, and that is not all that comes in your package. Along with your bundles, they insert a free gift for you guys. So they have the Icy Princess 3D Mink Lashes. This is what they look like, very dramatic, but I love the glitter. Like, Icy Hair just did it with me because, you know, I love pink and I love glitter. So they had me at hello. And then last but not least, this little Icy Hair Princess series, and it gives you all of the contact for the seller, as well as tell you hair care tips. So it tells you about brushing it, washing it, air drying it, how the hair will react to mousse, and some daily care tips. So this is what it looks like, very good and detailed. And then you get a free edge laying brush and a scarf if you leave a good review. And these are their contact information, but I'll leave all of this information in the description box below. So that's all that comes in this little baggie that you are gifted with. So now let's talk about some pros and cons. Let's end on a good note, so I'm gonna start with the cons. And to be honest, I only really have one con. The ends of this hair were horrible. And what I mean by that is the hair naturally dries faster, which maybe I have two cons, okay? The hair naturally dries fast, which means that you could put water on it and then about 10 seconds later it's dried. So you kind of have to beat the hair out of sense when you're styling, like work really fast. but the ends especially, I noticed the longer the length of hair. So around the 22-24 inch, that's where I started seeing that the ends of the hair were just naturally not taking to any product, any water that I was putting on. And it kind of reminded me of when you are natural and you have curly hair and then you relax it and your hair has that little wave that goes to it, like a little pimped out curl, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of what it reminded me of. You kind of have to literally hold the hair, spray water on it, and just bunch it like this to get the ends to take. But I only noticed that on the 24 and 22 inch a little bit. So I would say the longer you get it, just be aware of that. I may have gotten a bad bunch, so who knows, but that's something that I did observe. Now to the pros. I actually love the hair. I love the texture of the hair. It's full all the way to the end, as you can see. The hair is just so soft and beautiful. It's just thick. The rest of the hair, besides the ends, it retains moisture. So if you keep up with the hair, you know, detangle it. I don't get a lot of shedding besides me naturally detangling the hair. I don't have any extreme shedding where hair is just all over me, all over the place. I don't understand why people say they want hair that does not shed when your natural hair sheds. Yeah, I don't understand that. So don't knock your 100% human hair that you buy when it starts shedding. It's going to shed, but it's not an over excessive amount of shedding. So would I buy this hair again? Freaking heck yeah. I honestly think I'm gonna just continue wearing this for the rest of 2020, get my little edges back, because y'all, when I say I am struggling, I am struggling. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy this hair again. I like the way it looks on me, so I do appreciate IC Hair Company, and if you want this hair, I suggest get it. Now if you want to see how I style this hair, let's take it to the bathroom. Okay guys, so now that I'm in my bathroom, which is normally where I do my hair, I'm going to show you guys how I style it. So this is what it naturally looks like. As you can see, you know, it's really curly, really wavy. So first what I like to do is I like to part my hair in 4 sections. I find to get that wet look, it's easier for me to go section by section when wetting my hair to make sure that all the hair is wet. I'm going to take some banana clips and I'm just going to section my hair. Okay, so now that I have my hair sectioned into 4, what I'm first going to do with each section is I'm going to wet it, and I'm going to make sure that it gets down to the ends. As I mentioned before, my biggest and only con with this hair are the ends. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me put it against this white wall, but the ends just look really like dry at the end. Just gonna take my spray bottle. It literally just has water in it. I'm just gonna spray this section like wet. Alright, so now that I have it a little wet, I want to show you guys what I was talking about. Even though it's a water wave, the rest of the hair like curls at the end, where this one is, these hairs are just like a little dry. So you really want to pay attention to the ends of your hair. Now that I have one side of my hair already wet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush here. This is like a detangling brush. I don't remember the name of it. I will leave a description down below. This brush is great for detangling. It's kind of like a comb and a brush in one, but it's really good for detangling, and I got it from Amazon, so you can still get it during the corona. I like to work the water in through the hair, so I'm going to start at the ends and then work my way up just to make sure that all the hair is detangled and wet. But as you can see, the brush kind of glides with your hair, which I love. And when you have big hair like this, it's easier to detangle and get all on one accord. And this is where we are at, ladies. So now we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so we're gonna wet it one last time, and this time we're gonna focus on the middle part because I feel like, as you can see, that part is still a little bit bigger, and I'm trying to get it to the flat, nice, wet look that we all love. Okay, so now that the hair is all wet, I'm gonna put some of my favorite products in it. Also, I got these products off of Amazon at the beginning of the quarantine. So if you wanna try out these products, you can just order them off of Amazon and you should have no problem. You don't have to go to the store and go buy one. So I have the Got2b curling mousse. This is what it looks like. Got2b is like really known for like their gels, I'm pretty sure. So they have a mousse, and I thought it would be a perfect idea to use this. So what you need to do is make sure that you shake the can, then put some mousse on here. You want to be generous because this is a lot of hair, and you're just gonna work it in the hair. I don't put the products on my hair that often because I don't want to weigh the hair down, but as you can see, it works really well on the curls. Okay, so the second product that I'm going to be using in today's video is the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shiny Anti-Frizz Serum. It looks like this. Once again, got from Amazon. I want to make sure you guys can see that. Yeah, I just put a couple of squirts in my hand and kind of work it through my hair. I find like this helps make my hair shiny, and it also helps the hair from getting really big, because I like my hair to be a little, you know, on the flatter edge. So I use this serum to kind of define the curls, as well as, let me give you guys a close look. The curls are like more shinier, more defined, and that's what we want essentially. Okay, so now that I got that step done, now you're really just styling it. So I'm in a different setting. This is what the curls look like. Sorry that you guys couldn't see them in my bathroom. The lighting was just like really off, but this is what they look like. Curly, voluptuous, really shiny, just how I like it. If you love this hair, I will leave the link down below, as well as the link to all of the products that I use in today's video, and those will be Amazon links because we are quarantining. So do not go to no store trying to get no Got2b curling mousse, because you can order it on Amazon. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell next to my name so you can see the next time I post. Bye guys.